Hello everyone, welcome to Apps Tutorials. Today we are going to dive into a practical lecture of creating lists in HTML. Here is the required output on the browser. We are going to code something which will produce this output on the browser screen. So let's get started with our editor. Here is a pre-written code for demonstrating some of the useful lists in the HTML. Let's understand each of these lines one by one. In the last lecture, we have already learned that creating the lists in HTML. As you know, that there are two types of lists in HTML, ordered lists and unordered lists. Here, I have created the ordered list using the OL tag. Li tag is used to add the list items. Here, I have added 3 items in the ordered list. Next, I have declared the unordered lists using the UL tag and added 6 items using the Li tag. You can also add styling to the lists by using the attributes such as list style type and start for ordered lists. So here our code is complete and it's time to see the output. Here is the output of our code on the browser screen. I hope you have enjoyed coding along with me and learned to create the lists in HTML. Congratulations, you have learned all the basics of HTML. So, this is the end of our HTML series, but it's not the end of learning. To learn about CSS, you can visit our playlist based on lecture series about CSS. Thank you. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with all our recent videos.